Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to watch this overview of Palm Alliance Management. Let's go over our disclaimer. Unless otherwise specified, all figures shown in this overview are for illustrative purposes only and are not actual customer or model returns. Actual returns will vary greatly and depend on personal and market conditions. The information I am sharing with you today is intended solely for the benefit of individuals who are seeking a private equity investment capital by providing general information on Palm Alliance's services and philosophy. Once again, the material I am sharing is for informational purposes only and does not constitute an offer or solicitation to purchase any investment solutions or a recommendation to buy or sell securities, nor is it to be construed as legal, tax, or investment advice. Unless otherwise indicated, any information at the time of this recording is as of the date indicated therein and may not be up to date or otherwise revised to reflect information that subsequently becomes available. Once you decide to become a client, it is important that you read and agree to the terms of use. Finally, I personally am not a legal, tax, or investment advisor, and I'm only sharing with you information that I have learned thus far about Palm Alliance Management to the best of my knowledge. Palm Alliance Management was founded in 2010 to do one thing: deliver compelling investment results for their clients over the long term. This remains the company's singular purpose today, driven by a culture rooted in deep fundamental research, the pursuit of investment insight, and continuous innovation on behalf of clients, and facilitated by the free exchange of ideas across the organization. As a private, independent, employee-owned investment manager, Palm Alliance Management is structurally aligned with the long-term interest of their clients. They have no external parent or public shareholders to serve, nor other lines of business to distract them from their core mission. With their employees and their families invested alongside their clients, plus 100% of employees' deferred cash compensation directly linked to team and firm strategies, they are truly in this together with their clients. They have offices in 20 cities across 15 countries. Palm Alliance Management manages a range of equity, fixed income, private equity, and hedge fund strategies on behalf of institutions, advisors, and individual investors worldwide, with more than 300 investment professionals and over 1,100 employees in total. Palm Alliance has built a diverse team of individuals united in the commitment to client outcomes and investment excellence. Since 2016, Palm Alliance Management has opened its doors to small and medium-scale investors, making it possible for everyone to take advantage of their services. Palm Alliance is an alternative passive management firm that mainly focuses on diversified income strategy, and it is not a crypto or forex or MLM opportunity, although they do offer a referral program that is completely optional and not required. Palm Alliance has a unique diversified income strategy, which makes the company sustainable with investments that are spread across various asset classes and core market sectors to generate profitable returns. The number one question that is asked is, how is Palm Alliance generating funds for the company and their clients? The sector that Palm Alliance mainly focuses are physical business, digital business, and the financial sector. With physical business, it involves infrastructure, real estate, logistics, and shipping companies across international trading routes. In other words, physical brick and mortar companies. With digital business, Palm Alliance has invested and partnered with companies such as Netflix, Apple, Amazon, Zoom, Tesla, and Microsoft, all within their digital space. And finally, the financial sector, where Palm Alliance has partnered with hedge funds and equity investments in North American, Asia, and European markets, of which includes bonds, private equity, insurance, credit, and more. Your funds will be allocated in this unique diversified income strategy that will allow the company to generate long-term and sustainable returns, not only for the company, but for you as a client. What happens when one of the above sectors is not performing as expected due to the markets or geopolitical factors? Palm Alliance will rebalance their portfolios, which means funds are removed from poor performing sectors and placed the funds in the sectors that are yielding a higher return. In this manner, the company can maintain the level of earnings between a specific range of returns. In addition, Palm Alliance's invested capital is also insured up to 92% through a private insurance board. Palm Alliance also has integrated environmental and social governance into their business model, making the world green, cutting down on carbon emissions, and reducing the use of fossil fuels in order to make the planet a better place for us and our children. The company is always seeking a better approach, from better tools to better services, to the challenges that face their clients and the communities they serve. A good company will challenge the status quo, but a great company changes it for the better. Environmental, social, and governance principles have been integral to the Palm Alliance corporate strategy since their founding. They are committed to responsible investing practices and incorporate them into everything they do. It is not enough to help others in need. Social responsibility starts right at home with the thousands of people at Palm Alliance Management who are committed to giving back. That's why they are so dedicated to the people. The more the company does for them, the more they can do for the communities. Palm Alliance is investing into technologies that make the world environmentally sustainable by supporting and investing in electric vehicles, artificial intelligence, robotics, solar panels, just to name a few. Knowing that your funds are not only generating returns, but it is also helping the planet become a better place makes the return even more significant. For small investors, we have the defensive portfolio. The first option is the Balanced Growth Fund. It will generate 0.83% to 0.85% Monday through Friday. The duration of this portfolio is 10 months, and you can get started with as low as 100 USD. If you decide to compound, you'll receive 0.90% Monday through Friday, and 100% of your initial capital will be reimbursed at the completion of your 10 months. The second option is the Value Index Fund. It will generate 1.03% to 1.05% Monday through Friday. The duration of this portfolio is 10 months, and you can get started with 10,000 USD. If you decide to compound, you will receive 1.12% Monday through Friday, and 100% of your initial capital will be reimbursed at the completion of your 10 months. For medium investors, we have the Mid-Cap Growth Fund. The first option is the Zenith Income Stocks. It will generate 1.53% to 1.55% Monday through Friday. The duration of this portfolio is 8 months. You can get started with 50,000 USD. If you decide to compound, you'll receive 1.63% Monday through Friday, and 100% of your initial capital will be reimbursed at the completion of your 8 months. The second option is the Cyclical Yield Stocks. It will generate 2.13% to 2.53% Monday through Friday. The duration of this portfolio is 8 months, and you can get started with 100,000 USD. If you decide to compound, you will receive 2.80% Monday through Friday, and 100% of your initial capital will be reimbursed at the completion of your 8 months. For large investors, we have the Large Cap International Focus Fund. The first option is the corporate bonds. It will generate 1.13% to 1.15% Monday through Friday. The duration of this portfolio is 6 months, and you can get started with 300,000 USD. If you decide to compound, you will receive 1.18% Monday through Friday, and 100% of your initial capital will be reimbursed at the completion of your 6 months. The second option is the High Yield Blend. It will generate 1.53 to 1.55% Monday through Friday. The duration of this portfolio is 6 months, and you can get started with 1 million USD. If you decide to compound, you will receive 1.58% Monday through Friday, and 100% of your initial capital will be reimbursed at the completion of your 6 months. With Palm Alliance, it is not required to refer anyone. Palm Alliance is an alternative passive management firm that mainly focuses on a diversified income strategy. If you decide to invite others to open a portfolio with your unique referral link, they offer a 3-level member benefit program where you can receive 10% from the first level, which are people that you personally invite, 5% on the second level, which are people invited from your level 1, and 2.5% on the third level, which are people invited from level 2. Withdrawals can be made 7 days a week, and the minimum amount for withdrawals is 10 USD. There are no withdrawal fees, and once you submit a withdrawal, the payments are processed within 24 hours. You also have the option to withdraw in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, USDT, or Tron. I hope that the information I shared with you today on Palm Alliance had some value and helped you considering it as part of your financial portfolio. Thank you for your time.